Hi there! I recently had a comment from a subscriber who asked me how to use dawn, daybreak and aurora correctly. They inspired me to make this video. My name is Dawn and I was so named because I was born at sunrise. Dawn as a noun means the beginning of the day. When we were looking to name this channel, I was quite glad that there were so many synonyms for my name. Actually, my husband was the one who eventually came up with Daybreak English. Do you like our logo? I love it. Okay, so let's get on with it. You can use dawn and daybreak interchangeably to describe the rising of the sun.
We leave at dawn.
We leave at dawn. Christoph also could have said, we leave at daybreak. We leave at sunrise. Or, if he was an American, we leave at sunup. But of those synonyms, only dawn can be used to describe the beginning of a time period or phenomena. The definite article comes before dawn. It's the dawn of a new century. The dawn of civilization. And only dawn can be a verb. For example, the day dawned bright and clear. A new day is dawning. A different meaning of dawn as a verb that you might not have heard before is a realization or a new understanding. Here's how to use it. It slowly dawned on me that he was never going to change. After the detective questioned the suspect, it suddenly dawned on him that she was innocent of the crime. But in English, we hardly ever hear Aurora used to describe the beginning of the day, except maybe in poetry or archaic literature. Here's a famous example. Morning work, by the blushes of Aurora and the music of Memnon, what should man's morning work in this world? That's the quote from Henry David Thoreau from the 1880s. So it's not very commonly used in that way anymore. But it's a very pretty name for a girl. Think Sleeping Beauty. These days we would only use aurora to describe the northern or southern lights. For example, did you see the aurora? Ah, yes, it was awesome. Or you can be more specific and use the full Latin name, Aurora Borealis or Aurora Australis, if your listeners or readers don't know which hemisphere you're referring to. One day I hope to see the Aurora Borealis. It was recently visible here in England, which was very exciting, but we couldn't see it where we live. Never mind, one day. I hope that answers your question. Leave a like if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.